When the world's most prestigious automotive brand, Ferrari, unveiled its very first electric vehicle, the Ferrari Luce, all eyes in the global automotive landscape turned toward Maranello. It is true that this brand's identity has always been rooted in the raw, roaring power of V12 and V8 engines, but change inevitably becomes necessary as time moves forward. In this video, we will take a comprehensive and excellent look at the Ferrari Luce EV. Without any dated bias or arrogance, we will attempt to understand how a super machine can preserve its driving DNA, even without an internal combustion engine. What are the engineering nuances in this new journey, and does it truly live up to the expectations of old purists? Let us analyze this deeply and respectfully. Chapter 1. The bold shift from pistons to electrons. When a company built on fire and petrol suddenly pivots toward battery power, questions arising in the market are only natural. By initiating this era, the Ferrari Luce has proven that a brand cannot survive on past history alone. It must prepare for the future. Our perspective is that instead of viewing this shift with criticism, it should be recognized as a new technical milestone, because innovation is the true soul of every great brand. Chapter 2. Quad-motor architecture and precision control. The greatest strength of this vehicle lies in its 4 independent motors, which supply individual power to each wheel. Through this system, torque vectoring and cornering control become so refined that the driver maintains exceptional grip on the road at every single moment. We believe that while the raw delivery of electric power differs entirely from traditional engines, its response and precision are so remarkable that the joy of driving is never compromised. Chapter 3. Floor-mounted battery and weight management. Weight and gravity represent the biggest challenges in electric cars, which Ferrari has handled brilliantly through its floor-mounted battery architecture. Positioning the cells low down drops the car's center of gravity even lower than the Purasangue, completely eliminating body roll. Our firm belief is that this engineering detail is proof of how vehicle agility can be maintained despite increased weight. Chapter 4. Acoustic innovation and authentic mechanical sound. Most electric cars are completely silent, which traditional enthusiasts tend to dislike. Hence, an accelerometer-based sound system is employed here to amplify actual mechanical vibrations. This is not a fake speaker sound, but rather the genuine voice of the moving components. We would like to say that this is an exceptionally smart step that prevents the emotional connection between driver and machine from breaking. Chapter 5. Minimalist cockpit and timeless interior design. Stepping inside the cabin reveals a minimalist luxury cockpit featuring a superb use of high-end materials and precision-milled aluminum. Bringing back physical buttons and a classic steering design in an era of touchscreens was a brilliant decision. We think this interior connects the driver more deeply to the road rather than distracting them, which stands as its greatest virtue. Chapter 6. Blending heritage with next-gen engineering. Ultimately, this car is not merely a name for new technology, but a shining example of heritage meets future. Ferrari has made it clear that they can fulfill the demands of a modern era without abandoning their traditional roots. In our opinion, if you approach this technology with an open mind, you will realize it is laying the foundation for tomorrow's supercars. As we reach the end of our journey, we will simply say that the Ferrari Luce has shown the automotive industry a new path. This machine is an example that when the mindset is innovative and the engineering is immensely robust, change should not be feared, but welcomed with an open heart. If you enjoyed today's presentation, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share your valuable thoughts with us. Take great care of yourselves and your families. Allah Hafiz.